Everybody, it's Tressa. Welcome back to my channel. Hope you're having a great day. Well, it's getting late in the evening, and I'm gonna make it's leftover makeover, but you know how I am. I already went to the store and added more ingredients because I just think I have to have more. But we grilled some sausage and some chicken breast last night, so I had one chicken breast and a little link of sausage left. So I went to the store and I added one more chicken breast and another Cajun green onion sausage. But let me show you all the ingredients, and I'm going to cook it in the Instant Pot. So it's supposed to be easy. This is my first time. It's an experiment, but I think it's going to be great. I'm very excited. I hope you enjoy the recipe, and I hope you enjoy the video, and let's get started. Quite a few ingredients. We're going to start with just a tiny bit of bacon. Some people use the really thick pork belly, but I didn't want to get that. I just got some plain cheap bacon. I have some onions, purple and yellow. You know how I like to mix them. This is the extra chicken breast, and I already put seasoning on it because I like to season them before I cook them. This is the grilled meat we had last night, which was delicious, by the way. My husband grilled it on the grill, and I could eat that grilled meat plain the rest of the week. Have a little bit of the green onion sausage. This is carrots and, I already forgot, celery. And this is my garlic, of course. We have lots, where's the camera? Lots of garlic. So I have green onions and a jalapeno. And I have chicken stock and rice. Here's the Instant Pot. We're going to start heating it up on saute. Where's the saute button? And we're going to put it on high. I'm going to let it get warm and throw my bacon in there. And then we're going to get started. It's going to be so good. I'm excited. I'm going to heat up for a minute. So I'm just going to throw the bacon in there. I'm going to get this pretty brown. I don't have bacon fat stored like some people do, so I just have to use the bacon as I go. I'm going to cook this down, and I might take it out, and we're going to add the onions and stuff next. So let me cook this, and I'll be back. To say, I've been researching this recipe a lot today, and the rice, I believe you have to cook it for 3 minutes and then let it have a natural release, which is really awesome. Believe it or not, I've never tried rice in an Instant Pot, but I'm very excited about this recipe. I'm also probably going to add just a tiny bit of tomato paste at some point. But first we want to get this bacon fat so we can put the onion and stuff in. And most people wouldn't put carrots, they'd put bell peppers, but we like carrots more than we like bell peppers. I took my bacon out, and I have a little bacon fat in here, so I'm going to add my raw chicken, because I want a little bit of brown bits at the bottom. And I'm going to also, you can do this in batches. I'm kind of impatient. I'm going to add my sausage too. This is the sausage that I just bought. So I'm going to brown this a little bit, wash my hands, and I'll be back. I'm going to show you how it's cooking. It smells really, really, really good. And I have a little bit of brown stuff at the bottom. That's going to be so good when I put the vegetables in. And you know, you don't have to cook this all the way. You can brown it as much as you like. If you want to add more fond to the bottom. It's already 6:30 here, so it's getting kind of late. So I might take it up in a second. And this is the cooked stuff I already have. I'm going to do 2 cups of rice, I think, and 5 cups of liquid, or 4.5 cups of liquid. I'm going to use chicken stock and maybe a little bit of water. I don't want it too salty. I just wanted to show you where we are right now and tell you how good it smells already. Yeah, I took the chicken and sausage out, and you can see the brown stuff on the bottom. So now we're going to add the onion. And, you know, you can add as much meat as you like. You don't have to add all the meat that I'm adding. I just like more protein. You can add as many onions as you want. I'm going to see if that's good. I'm also going to add my carrots and my celery. I'm going to cook this down for a minute. I'm going to add my garlic too. And this is about 5 cloves of garlic. I'm just going to add some of it. That's probably good. And I'm going to cook this down. Oh, I just threw a piece of celery on the floor. I'm going to cook this down. And oh my gosh, it smells so good with the garlic. I'm so excited. I hope this comes out right. with the rice, but it smells wonderful. So let me cook this down a little bit and put the celery up off the floor, and I'll be back. I'll tell you guys about the fresh jalapeno that I grew. I'm gonna put that in here because we're gonna get a little spice. And this is green onion for the yin. But I just wanted to let you know that I'm gonna add a little bit of that. I'm not gonna season this part because my chicken stock, unfortunately, is salted already. So I'm gonna watch the salt. But look how good this looks already. I'm trying to look. It's just the bottom comes clean with the vegetables. You can slice the carrots any way you like. You can make them smaller. I love carrots though. They're just so good. And Ella likes them too, so. And Cajun cooking, we use a lot of vegetables. So I just wanted to tell you about the jalapeno, and I'll be back. Resort the saute. I wanted the vegetables really cooked. This is really what I wanted. So we're gonna add, and this is just a test, but I'm gonna add just like a tablespoon of tomato paste because I do not like jambalayas with tomato in it. One day, I wanted to tell you guys, one day I'm gonna ask my dad to film his recipe because he uses pork ribs and that recipe is amazing. I mean, I can't tell you how good it is. And there's no tomato in it whatsoever. He just has all that flavor from his Le Creuset Dutch oven pot, and it's so good. So we're gonna add the what are we gonna add? We're gonna add the meat back in. We're gonna add the cooked meat back in. This is gonna be very meaty because we like to get more protein than we do rice. Just kind of with the way we roll. And I'm gonna add, I'm gonna mix this well. And I measured probably not enough rice for the recipe, but I'm only gonna use 1.5 cups. And we're gonna stir the rice around in here to get a little bit toasted. This is just plain old Louisiana short grain rice. I'm not gonna salt it because I'm gonna use chicken stock. I'm gonna stir this around. And believe me, I have been making a mess today. But I think it's gonna be really good. So we're gonna add that. I have so many dishes to wash today, but it's okay. You can put shrimp in here, and you can put whatever you want. I'm gonna put 3 cups of chicken stock. You could use water, you could use beef stock, but I think beef stock will be a little too strong. So I'm gonna put some chicken stock. Let's see. And I like the Cajun Basics. It's my favorite brand. I don't have unsalted because it's hard to find. Let's see how much this is. That's 2 cups exactly. So I'm gonna pour that in. And then I'm gonna open my other, this is from my extended pantry. This is my other bottle. I'm gonna put 1 more cup. And you kind of have to be precise about the rice and the liquid. And I hope I learned the correct procedure for making this. Now, I'm gonna stir this around and make sure I get all the rice off the side. I prefer a lot of meat. You could also make this vegetarian. You could add whatever you wanted. Next time I'm gonna make an Asian recipe, I think, with fried rice. But this is what we wanted today. And I wanted to call it a leftover makeover, but I bought too many products to call it that. So, okay, I'm gonna add just 1 more drop because I'm crazy. And we're gonna add just a touch of black pepper. Ella seasoned the raw chicken very well. She put garlic powder, onion powder. She put all kind of seasoning on it. Because you really have to season the chicken breast. Okay. Now I think that looks good. I got a little bit on the side right here. Let me clean that up. Let's put the lid on. Well, first we're going to turn it off. And put the lid on. it's always worth it to put the lid on. Put it on sealing. And I'm going to do it for 3 minutes, I think. And I'm going to let, what's it called? The natural release. We're not going to force that. We're going to just let it rest for 10 minutes. And then we'll be back, and hopefully it'll be so good. I'm gonna put green onions. It's going to be delicious. Okay, well, I'll let natural release. See, there's no pressure in this. Let's open it up. Oh my goodness. Now, ow, it's hot.
Careful.
We're going to add the green onions because that makes everything better. Okay. Let's stir it up. It looks nice and moist, which I like. Now, I have to remind you, this is my first time cooking rice in here, but it looks amazing.
Looks
because
delicious.
I do not like dry dishes. So, we're going to plate this up, and then we're going to do a taste test, and then I'm so excited. Can't wait. Yeah, I don't know if this is authentic jambalaya, but I'm going to tell you, this is a good recipe to try.
Best I've ever had.
It is so... I don't like when the rice is dry. I like when it's really moist. To be honest with you, I added a little hot sauce. And I add a tiny bit of salt, even though I shouldn't have. But I really like salt today. So let's try a little bit of, let's see, chicken and sausage. I don't want to take too big of a bite.
I just walked into a wall.
One pot meal. So easy. So delicious. I hope you enjoyed the video.
Oh, and if you like hot sauce or if you like spice, you can add some hot sauce.
And I really like the carrots. And that sausage is really amazing. And we used the leftover grilled meat, which added a lot of flavor too. But I hope you try a recipe in an Instant Pot or in a one-pot meal. I appreciate you watching so much. Please subscribe if you haven't. Tap the bell so you can get notifications for my new videos. And come back tomorrow and hopefully I'll have something new. Thank you for watching. Bye.